Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Maths with Kamchran. Today I want us to look at a subject of formula. So it is necessary to change the subject of the formula. What you can do, you can think of the formula as an equation. Then you solve the equation for the letter which is to become the subject of formula. I've got an example that I want to show you. In this case, I've got x plus b plus a is equals to b, and we want to make x the subject of formula, meaning to say that our x should be on one side. This equation that we are given, where we have x plus a is equals to b, we have b as the subject of formula in this case. But our question, we want to make x the subject of formula. So what we do when we have such a question, we are going to shift, or we can take a to the other side. It crosses the equal sign and it becomes minus a. So we will have x is equal to b minus a. When we do this, we have made x the subject of formula. It is now on its own side and it is now the subject. Let's have another example. Here I've got a minus x is equals to b. When I have it like this, I can take a and have it this side. It's fine. Okay, let's do that approach first. Then I'll do the other one where I want to make minus x a positive. So we are going to take a, it becomes minus a that side. So we have minus x is equals to b minus a. To get an x, we are going to divide by minus 1 here. By minus 1, because our x is as good as it has got a minus 1 here. That's why we are dividing by minus 1. So when we do that, on the left side, they are going to cancel off each other. Then on the right side, you can leave your answer as x is equals to minus b plus a. Like that, I've divided minus 1 into all of these. Then I can say I have got x is equals to a minus b as the final answer, like this. It might be tricky for someone, so I'm going to do my simpler way where I make x a positive. So I have a minus x is equals to b. I'm taking x this side so that it is a positive. Then b, I'll take it that side, it becomes a negative. So I'll have a minus b is equals to x. Then it is proper to start with the subject as x is equal to a minus b. So this becomes the final answer, which is similar to what we did there, but it might be tricky for someone. Let's have another example. This time around, our x is a multiple. We've got an a. So to get x alone, we simply divide by a, both sides. So the left side, they are going to cancel off each other, the a's. Then we'll remain with x is equals to b over a, like that. So this becomes our final answer. Let's have another example. Okay, this time around, we've got x here, x there. So what you do, it's a common factor on a and b there. So we can take out x and have a plus b, like that. Then it is equal to c. To remain with x on the left side, we are going to divide by a plus b, like that. So what we do on the left side, we do on the right side. So we have a plus b. Then on the left side, they are going to cancel off each other, this one and this one. So we remain with x is equals to c over a plus b. You can use the bracket or you cannot use them. It's all fine. So this is the final answer there. Let's have another example. I think this is the second from last. Here we've got x here and x there. So it is easy to work with your x on one side. So I'm going to take this x here to that side. So I have b is equal to x minus ax, like that. So the first x there, it's as good as there is one x. So I can take out x as a common factor here and have x bracket 1 minus a. like that. This other side we have a b. So to get our x, this one, we are going to divide everything by the bracket there, 1 minus a. So I'll have this side also 1 minus a. So our brackets are going to cancel off each other, this one and this one. So our answer will be x is equal to b over 1 minus a. I've taken this x here and this whole thing this side. So that's what we have done there. So this becomes our answer then. Last question, we have got a over x is equals to b. What you do, you multiply everything by x so that we remove this denominator of x there. So I'll multiply everything by x. When I multiply everything by x, this x and x will cancel and will remain with a, and it is equal to bx. Now we can divide and remain with x here. So I will divide by b over b, such that the b's will cancel off each other and we will get x is equals to a over b. Then we write it in the proper way, which is x is equal to a over b. So that's how we do this one. Okay guys, let's meet in the next video of subject of formula. Bye bye.